We are X-ite Crew.
Hi, my name is Jia Qi.
My name is Nicole.
My name is Liyana.
I'm Lynn.
And Baba is at home.
Baba left already.
She's in the car.
Yeah. So anyways, we won 2 hampers and one voucher. But we're going to unbox. So they don't want to unbox. You go away. Shoo. 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 Hello. My name is Liyana.
I'm Lynn.
And we're the only members of X-ite tonight. Nicole and Jia Qi over there. We're going to unbox this hamper. We got 2, by the way. Okay, ready? Let's go. Ow! So at the top we have F&N orange. Okay. Oh, got mushroom! Okay, what? Cocktail snack. Mmm. Jellies.
Not jelly bean.
I don't know. Mmm. Jelly.
Why is
Wah,
it not
wah.
jelly?
I know, it's freaking sweet.
Just lie for us.
We got mini crunch mocha cream filled cereal. Ooh, assortment of chocolates. Ooh, oh, it's very nice.
Rice cracker.
Okay, rice cracker chocolate. I think this one is nice. I don't know
Yeah, it
what's
looks
inside.
nice.
Chocolate.
Yeah, it says rice roll.
We got this chicken. I love it, Tor. I think it's chicken flavored. Yeah, chicken flavored. Oh, chicken flavored snacks. A naked F&N orange. You see that? X-ite. We don't need you. Kidding. God. Oh, this mushrooms. I don't know why. Party time. Yay! That's the end of our opening. I mean, we got one more, but it's exactly the same. So, thanks for watching on this episode of Lynn X Liyana X-ite. Bye! See you guys in our next episode. Hello.
This is Liana and Jia Qi.
This is a disclaimer. We don't actually talk like that. Why you copying me? Anyways, we don't actually talk like that. It's just that when we are together, our inner Chinese accent comes out and we cannot help it. Jia Qi is cutting a piece of paper and I'm very angry. I told you not to cut it!